Aleka Manufacturing is one of the first few medical supply manufacturers in Tanzania, and we mainly focus in producing medical supplies ranging from surgical masks to adhesive tapes to plasters. One of the key challenges that we face in the market, especially around raising debt, is especially via these formal institutions, is the fact that we're not able to get a sensible amount of ticket amounts and unable to potentially able to scale in the direction that we want to. Pitching and network events are very useful for us. As you can imagine, we've been able to meet equity partners, equity investors, and they have a very genuine interest and experience in this area. We also have met experts in the manufacturing space who've been able to share their insights and give us kind of understanding of how best we should potentially position ourselves and move in the market. I want investors to remember that we are Pan-African. We are looking to change how healthcare industry access to medical devices is in Africa and beyond, and we are here to support, and so looking forward to getting any sort of inputs from them, and looking forward to a much brighter future. Our top takeaway from this event is that there's a lot of learnings that manufacturing companies have to kind of take in the continent. There's a lot of things that we're not necessarily doing well, and we need to take this time to learn and invest in data collection, invest in understanding how we do best practice in manufacturing, and ultimately have a much better manufacturing sector overall. If I describe today's event in one word, was amazing. It was filled with a lot of information, a lot of good stakeholders in this space. I'm really looking forward to the next one.